good morning. Welcome to my official countdown to Christmas. So I've decided I'm going to do a video every day until Christmas. And so today is going to be video 1. So welcome to Sharikot's VLOGMAS ONE. Woo! First and foremost, how have you guys been? In this video, I'll be sharing with you an outfit I got from a brand in Lagos, and I really think the outfit was really good. Even though I haven't opened it and haven't tried it yet, and I'm not trying it yet. You guys will see it on Christmas Day or on Sunday. No, actually, I think on Sunday will be perfect. So I'm gonna wear this on Sunday. But I really think I liked the concept of the outfit when I saw it on Instagram, and I was like, okay, yes, I really want to have this. So that it is that. And I'm kind of like rebranding my wardrobe right now, so I'm kind of like trying to get more Afro eccentric pieces like what I'm wearing. This is from Koban. So earlier this year I was into two-piece ready to wear outfit. It's still gonna come back, but I kind of like took a break from my businesses, which is the ready to wear business and also my jewelry. We're looking at rebranding and expanding next year. Anyways, that is on the side. So in this video, of course, I'll be showing you that the outfit I told you about, and also be sharing with you some really amazing money tips that you need to know to help your 2025. This is something I have tried over, like, let's say consciously been doing since 2022, and I realized that it is really a saving grace, because truth is, you're not going to have money every time, and there's just certain things that just because you lack money doesn't mean you should lack those things. Like, you just have to find a way to maximize your resources. And so should I show you the clothes, or which one should I do? Okay, I'm actually boiling eggs, guys. I love eggs so much, like boiled eggs. Growing up, I hated boiled eggs. I don't know what happened to me. I started growing older, and God in heaven, like, whenever I'm out of eggs in the house, it's always like, God, I need to get eggs. So right now I'm boiling 4 eggs. I'm using one to make some sandwich, but the others will be in the fridge so that whenever I feel like snacking, like, boiled egg has become my snack. It's crazy. Okay, so I think I want to start with showing you the outfit. So let's do this. So the name of the brand is called YARELI Brand. I hope I'm pronouncing it properly though. YARELI Brand. And so I like it. Nice to meet you. Aww. So I'm going to share the picture of the outfit and the link to the brand, like a picture of the outfit on this video, and then link to the brand will be in the link description box. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I got it in green. Oh wow. I don't know. You know, I thought I went for red, for blue, so I changed my mind. Oh wow. Okay. So it is a 2-piece, and this is the pants. This is the pants. So it's like a wide fit pants, which I really like, and this is the top. Okay, so a part of me is a little, okay, it'll be fine. Yeah, this is the top. Oh. Habibat, like, why are you guys so petty? I'm not Habibat, but it's okay, we'll go with that. And then, yeah, this. So I think I like the finishing. I'm not seeing any loose strands up and about. Ooh, I love the wideness of the hand. I'm so for wide hands. So I love Honestly, I like the fit. I love the finishing. It doesn't have unnecessary. I haven't seen a single strand of loose thread. I really hate that loose thread thing when I buy ready to wear outfits. It's like, why? You guys just be patient and do a good job, for goodness sake. Okay, I see one, but honestly I can let go. It's just one compared to like how so many you would see in some of these other outfits. But yeah, I look forward to see what this outfit will look like. I don't know the color. This is my first time trying out this kind of color, but I think it will work out. I mean, I love colors, so we'll be fine. Give me a second, guys. And speaking about colors, I actually won an award for being the most colorful female in my church. It was crazy. It was hilarious. So I got this award, Miss Coat of Colors. It's so cute, right? Like I didn't really think I was that colorful, but this was just so beautiful. And what it did to me was it made me feel seen, validated, and just enjoy being myself. You know, it's how like the world tells you what you should be and stuff, but really, man, find what God is saying to you and just be what God says you should be, and let's all just have peace. It's as simple as that. Pretty straightforward. So let's get into the money things I was telling you about. So number one thing I would say is in 2025, and honestly this is gonna start from this December, you really want to make sure that whenever you go shopping, whatever you're shopping, make sure that you buy extra stuff. There's a way to do it. Like when I say extra stuff, I mean look at your intimate things like your hygiene stuff. Always focus on buying an extra, because it just has a way of saving you in the days and times that you don't have cash, right? You're like, okay, I don't have money, but it doesn't mean that I'm lacking soap, I'm lacking toothpaste, I'm lacking cream. So I always like to like buy extras of this thing. Sometimes it could just be that your extra could be an extra one, like you could afford just an extra one, but make sure that you're always just buying extra and keeping aside, because they always save you. I'm still talking about extra. Aside from your hygiene things like your intimate stuff, also consider that when you're buying some of your skincare products. Like if you can buy an extra face wash, buy an extra face wash. If you can buy an extra toner, just buy those things, because there are days, honestly, it saves face during your rainy days when it looks like, oh wow, I can't, you know, I don't have money. But just because I don't have money doesn't mean that like I'm out of my personal intimate things. You know, everyone goes through the broke season, but you want to go through the broke season knowing that it's not that bad, that you cannot afford, like you don't have your necessities, right? And again, talking about saving money, right, there's another thing you should know. When you're buying food stuff, there are certain food stuff that you can buy in excess and they're good, right? And there's certain food stuff that when you buy, you shouldn't buy in excess, especially considering your size, your household size. Like if you live by yourself, it doesn't make sense, because you're trying to buy, you know, in good amount, to buy, say for example, a 25 kg of rice. It would be better to buy a 10 kg of rice. That would take you a longer time, of course. Yes, 25 kg of course will take you some time, but the time you're going to be losing its freshness, because it's going to take you a lot of time to eat it. And there's a tendency that when you get to the bottom, you're having like some rice weevils and all of those things. So it's better to like buy like a 10 kg, and then that will take you a longer time. Like it will take you some time, and you will finish it in good time and still have some level of freshness. There are certain things that you shouldn't buy in excess because of your household size. Like, you know, it's just you in the house, so there's no point to buy those things in excess. And there are things that you should buy in excess, because they will always save you the rainy day. So you have to like determine what those things are and then plan accordingly. Another thing I would highly recommend is, honestly, if you have friends that you guys can pull resources together and buy stuff, it does save a lot. So if you have friends that like you guys like living by yourselves and like all alone and like you're living alone, you really want to consider like pulling in your resources. More money kind of give you more opportunity to buy more stuff, right? And so if you can buy more stuff, you guys can just like, you know, pull through and then, you know, divide through, and that just really saves you a whole lot. The third thing I really want to recommend is, as little as it could be, put some money aside, even if it's like 1,000, even if it's 2,000, 5,000, whatever amount. Just consciously have that account where you put some money aside. It's always has a way of saving you for the rainy day, right? Like rainy days always will come, and you don't want to lack the resource to be able to step out of the house or to buy your gas or to do anything. Like consciously put some money aside. It's difficult. I'm not even gonna say that it's easy. Nope, it's a big lie. It's a very difficult thing to do, but it's a habit that you have to instill in yourself by building it, by consciously telling yourself, I have to do this because it's the right thing to do. And guess what? It becomes a habit and you begin to thrive. Honestly, that's how you begin to overcome, you know, some certain financial limitations. Like consciously put that effort. Third thing is, you really want to go through your spendings and check where there are loopholes. Like what are those things that you don't need or that you can do by yourself, or you can find a less expensive place to do it. So for example, there is a place I like to do my hair and stuff, and recently I realized that, okay, look, I can't keep up with this place. It become a little bit more expensive. I can decide what I can do from home and what I would like to do there. So I said, okay, I think I like doing my nails there, so I can decide on just doing my nails there. But when it comes to my hair and stuff, I have another place to go to. So it just like helps you to like, you know, like decide on where to. It helps you to cut down on some excesses. So for me, I have a challenge with, like, I'm very lazy with going to the market. Like, I don't like the whole market thing of you arguing and come and go. I think I just like the supermarket thing of going to the shelf, picking what you want, you see the price there, and then you move on, right? So if you're the kind of person that likes to do the market runs and all, that's really great for you. I honestly have found, like, there are certain things that when I get at the market, I just like to buy them in bulk. For example, like beef or like meat. So I buy like an amount of meat, and then I just like boil, and then I have them like for a while and just fetch out of. It takes a lot of discipline to do that, because most of us are like tempted to eat the beef we boil. That, let's be honest with ourselves. But I have that conscious thing of I fetch out and then I use for what I need to do, and you know, that really helps me. And so if you're the kind of person that, okay, you want to do the market runs, like you really want to buy things in moderation. I've realized that we have a lot of power issues here in Nigeria. So you don't want to buy things and then you're struggling to care for them, like to keep them, you know, from spoiling. I hate food spoiling. I have issues when I see people waste food. I am so frustrated by it. So try as much as possible to buy what you need in terms of perishables, and that can last you for a while, manage for a while. When it comes to non-perishables, always buy like some extras, you know, to keep you going. For example, another thing like I like to buy an extra is I'm a tea person, so I always like to have like an extra tea here and there, because I don't want it that when I am out of, like, I don't have cash and I can't afford tea. Like, that's too much of trauma. That's just too much, right? So you have to like really determine what is important and, you know, find a way around it. It's so important. And so aside talking about making sure you buy extras of stuff you need and finding things that you should not buy extra of, also talking about pulling off resources to, you know, get more stuff, learning to bargain in the market, knowing where to buy your certain things, and knowing how to consider when you're buying stuff, also like perishables, like I said, consider the time frame you have to shelf them or to keep them fresh. Understanding in Nigeria the challenges of light, power supply, and the likes. So these are like some really everyday tips that you really have to pay attention to. It looks like, oh, it's just, oh, this is normal, but trust me, they do save, like they save you a whole lot. That extra keeping some little funds here and there, it saves a whole lot. So this is something I'm gonna definitely recommend. And please watch my next video, as in these videos I'll be sharing like healthy tips you need for the next year, like money, relationships, any-wise, whatever. Just I'll be sharing tips as I share other stuff on the side, but most importantly I'll be sharing tips on things that you should pay attention to make your 2025 and life beyond way better. And make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for subscribing, everyone. The ones that you guys have just been my MVPs, and so I'm so grateful. Thank you very much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.